Hello guys, welcome to CloudScripted, and in this video we are going to see what is DDL and its basic commands. So DDL is basically stands for Data Definition Language. Data Definition Language. So this is the full form of Data Definition Language, is the full form of DDL. And DDL commands are used to define, modify and manage the structure of a database. So let's suppose we have a database, and inside this database we have some tables, we have some indexes, we have some constraints. So to modify all these things we can use DDL commands. Now let's see what are the basic DDL commands. So number one is create command. Create command is basically used to create a table, or it can also be used to create a index. So let's see how you can create a table using create command. So to create a table, we can use this command in this way, like create table, then we can give the table name, and table name can be anything, employee, student, whatever you want to give. Then after that you have to open this parenthesis, and inside this we can define the columns. So what is a table? Table is basically is a collection of rows and columns. So for example, this is a table, so these are our columns, okay, and these are our rows. And if I will create any other table, for example, let me insert a small table here of 3 or 4 columns. So this is a table, okay, and in this table if I will define any column, for example, this is ID, this is name, and this is salary, okay. So in this ID is 101, in this what I'm giving, 101 is ID, name is ABC, and salary is 10,000, okay. So this is particularly, this is a row and these are these columns. So in this table, if we want to create this table, what we have to give, first of all, the ID, that means that is a column name, then we have to give, let me erase this, let me create it in here. So what is the syntax of creating a table is create table, then the table name. After that we will open this parenthesis, and inside it we can use the column name, then the data type, and then if there is any constraint we can define here a constraint, okay. So this is the basic structure of a table, and then it will be a comma and then column name 2, okay, this will be column name 1, data type 1, this will be column name 2, this is a data type 2, and maybe if there is any constraint you can apply, okay. So this is like this, we can have multiple columns, okay. So now let's see how you can create in a example. So this can be an example, for example, create table, then I'm creating a table for student database, okay. So this is a student table, inside it we can have a student ID, let's suppose I'm giving the column name as SID, it can be of integer type, and this is our primary key, okay. Now after this, second column can be name, and it can be of varchar type. So let's suppose I'm giving the 50 length, okay, and then it can have age is a number, so it can be of integer type. So, and let's terminate it. So in this way we can create a table. Now let's see how we will implement in MySQL. Okay, so in MySQL, first of all, you have to give, then create a database. So let me create database of any name, for example my db. Okay, let me execute this query. So you can see this query has been executed. Now if I wanted to use it, I have to use one query, use mydb. Okay, now let me run it and let me comment all these things. Okay, now if I want to create a table, so I'm creating one table, create table student. Okay, and in student id is of integer type and it is a primary key. Then I'm creating a name, it can be of varchar type, and 30 or 50 its length, and then I'm giving age of integer type. Okay, so in this way you can create a table. Now once I will execute, this table has been created, and if you want to see the structure of a table, you have to execute describe table command. So dsc and the table name, and this is the student table. So what is this? To describe a table structure, to describe a table structure. Now if I will execute it, you can see this is our table, id of integer type, and primary, and name and age. Okay, so this is a basic command in MySQL. So you have seen how you can create a table. Now in upcoming videos we are going to see how you can alter a table, how you will alter table columns, how you will alter these constraint, or how you will reapply new constraint. All these things we are going to see in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.